Kublai pi baro syakatup Khuborjylla ke Donbosco Media Network. Kimat kibakong san mentagas ngi kilong. Lasange shipor ke jenge ki syak tangan ki Samla puli NEHU. Jurip Menteri Rangba yaki ofis sorkar haniu Shillong. Dang wat lat ke sorkar ban weng yaki jing kinong hikai SSA. Ban mi yo ki jan than ban jan pong na kilong garo. Bat mentang ini pai syaki Khubor ki bakam bania. Ki Samla pule ke skol ba NEHU hakajing yalam kan NEHU su bat KSU NEHU unit hakajan mir arpau terik Naiwieng kila sange shipor yakajing ki syatngan hadien balayat laispa prapoh nyau kenta nakadau balakta yakakwat kekia ki Samla pule ki basyem benta hakane kajing syatngan bandawa hiar syuki yau Vice Chancellor PS Shukla. Yakane kajing sange shipor kajing ki lapan benar da Presiden kan NEHU su Sandy Sotun hadien bala ai jing mud ke Chief Medical Officer Dr. Caroline Mukim ka Peit bakmi yakakwat kekia ki Samla man kasngi rengkat kajing ai jing mud jukinong hikai kani ke skol ba. Kumta kinong yalam juki arseng kila rai ban sange shipor yaki jing ki. Haba ai jing kran hakane kajan mit u Presiden kan NEHU su bat KSU NEHU unit kila ong wat lada sange kajing ki syatngan kindang yai dawa teng bat but din hadu banda job kata hadu banda wengno ya UPS Shukla nakashuki Vice Chancellor jong kane.
And present him a bouquet of, I won't say thankfulness because there is really nothing much to thank at this moment, but at least for they are willing to at least show that they are willing to go one step forward in ending this agitation. So Professor.
Good evening, everyone. First and foremost, we would like to extend our heartfelt gratitude to each and one of you, especially the student community, the NEHU, the NAKA, the KSU central body, and even the medical team, which has been there since the beginning of this hunger strike. Your support has been priceless, I will say, and in consideration of the requests from the teachers, from the staffs, and even from the doctor, and based on the medical advice, we have seen that the health of our students, the members who have been starving for 16 days, the health has been deteriorating. So we, the KSU NEHU unit, or KSU NEHU unit, and the NEHU have decided that we will temporarily suspend this hunger strike. However, this does not signify that we will end the agitation, but we will continue the protest during the weekdays from 9 to 5, and we will not move from this place until and unless our demands will be fulfilled. And also, I would like to thank the community members who have been here from day one. And also, I would like to say that it is quite hard to be a leader. I feel like crying, tears feels like coming out from my eyes from day to day. Seeing the members going to the hospital and getting the drips from time to time, from day to day, it really breaks my heart, I'll tell you, my friends. And
Menteri Rangba Konrad K Sangma haka arpau tarik Naiwieng ulalet jengo ekijing trei haki office sarkar ki badang shna haniu Shillong ki bakentop ya ka IT Park 400-seater working women's hostel new secretariat skill park Prime Innovation Hub bat ya ka surok saulan ka balang mangker pangru ya kelenti na kebenta ki ba shong cycle kilenti ya kejat bat kiwe kijing dan kam. Menteri Rangba Ulaong kane kanong ba batamai New Shillong kan biang nadong shadong hadu sanpo snam kerta jongka kan pensting bat penkulut ya ka sor Shillong ka balak kapnya bat janpoi sha uput bakan betei Ulaong kijing tre ya kane kanong ba batamai kiyat suki jai tang ba kilong ki ba benya ki ba janai bat ki ba scam lasan ran ya Menteri Rangba da u ba snya balang dhar sembut Menteri Rangba ki kampen roisor Khuborjylla lengba ketunat puli putih Khuborjylla kadang wad kilat kilenti ban weng ye kijing e kibabun kibayadei bat kinong hikai kumju ye kijing e kibayadei bat kinong hikai SSA ha Jylla ya kanela ya thu do menteri ketunat puli putih rakam e sangma habakran bat kilat pathai Khubor hakaba ula penpau kala ban shimpor lakata nakaliang Khuborjylla kanum shong plikti ulaong.
Look, the process takes time always because no any process become materialized at one time. No, it is not. The process has to be followed. Definitely, it takes time, right? It takes time, but the government is doing all possible means and ways to find a solution for all kind of category of teachers, because there are people they are serving our state only, right? So the state should progress only with the collective efforts, collective contribution of the teachers, the parents, the governance, of all the stakeholders. So together, yes, I think sometimes it is not the state can become unique with contribution of some particular community. No, it's not. So altogether, with the teacher, with the governments, with any stakeholder should be united in contributing best what they have. This is what the government is also doing it. No, these things are policy matter. It is not, but we have the door are opened because we have given the upper age level up to 45 years if they're qualified. It doesn't mean all the SSC teacher will be absorbed on this policy. But this is one of the step. So like all this open because look, there are new entrants also, right? So but we have the door is bigger open for each one of them.
Kashnong Hathisil na kilom Garo Southwest Garo Hills kalasdang ban mi yau menta kijan than kijan kup bat kijan thong ba bon jat ki ba itnat bat ki ba harukom ki rong ya ka karkhana than jan VA Silk Industries ha ka ni kashnong lasdang da katnat trekam ka sarkar India Ministry of Textiles House nam arajar khanyo ha ka nongrem trekam public private partnership ki kam kilayat suki na ka jingling shop ka khlam COVID-19 kajing thmu jong kani ka karkhana kalong ban kentiu ya ki kam ki jam ya ki sap ki phong jong ki briu ki banang ban than jan halasnong bat ban ai kam duna ya ka khatsan spa ngut ki briu na kani ka than haka arphau tarik Naiwieng ka Hema Nayak DC Southwest Garo Hills ka play ya ka yau de jan balapan mi na kani ka karkhana menta kani ka karkhana than jan ka don kinong trei duna lai spa ngut.
Hi, I'm Nixon Balaya. I am the manager, production and business at VA Silk Industry at the Hotisel Garment Manufacturing Unit. The unit is actually owned by the state government. However, on a MOA, Memorandum of Agreement between VA Silk Industry and the state, we've been appointed to run this industry since last year. And we have overcome the challenges so far. On one thing, getting the women and youth in the rural areas around Ampati to train them on a new skill that's called tailoring, sewing craft, especially on large-scale production. Now today, it is a privilege for us to display so far whatever we have achieved as products, both in employment and in diversified productions. Now, mostly we have used the handloom fabric, which is made by our own trained weavers in and around Ampati. both in Southwest Garo Hills and West Garo Hills. We have trained them on 2 levels of handloom weaving. One is the plain handloom weaving that we get to see everywhere, and the other one is multi-petal. That means it has 4 petals, which can give you an accurate design and preferred type of weaving. There are different types of weaving, not just the plain weaving. So we have trained all of them. So there are at least 300 people who are on a commission basis working with us. Another thing, we have also trained 100 people on handloom, loin loom weaving. Now this is a very interesting, unique craft the world doesn't know at all. The weaving itself makes a perfect glow and a wonderful attraction.
Ka Meghalaya Blind FC kalara eka trophy namla adu jangka blind football tournament hadin ba kila job ya karang Dajit United FC daka Henry Kola Lai hakajing elek kai final Hamadan jangka Rang Dajit United FC Sports Development Society Football Ground pentor Kra Shillong haka arpau tarik Naiwieng. Yakani kalumpung elek kai ba arsngi khat khandai bat arpau tarik Naiwieng lapan ya daka State Resource Center on Disability Affairs bat ka State Commissioner for Persons with Disabilities hakajing trelang bat ka Bethany Society bat ka Rang Dajit United FC. Kajing thumu jong kani ka tournament kalong ban penpau perthei ya kajing tubet jong ki Samla ki Baduna haki dukot met ban pen I bakidon ki sap ki pong tenrai wat lada ki duna ka bormet Henry kila pen I pat ba ya ka mon bajuat ban poi syakliar jong kathong. Kibala shimbenta banyak kun hakan ka tournament kilong ka SRCDA Frontliners FC, ka Rang Dajit United FC Junior Team, ka Latkenso FC bat ka Meghalaya Blind Football Team FC. Ya ka nam man of the match la yo do Freddy Nongrum bat ya ka nam top scorer ka Let Show Klingson di Marak. Uba DP Walang Chief Secretary ulalong ukong san hakasengi penkut bat uba Eugene Son Lengdo hakasengi sedang jong.
Come on. Tadi layo tu tadi. Rak main mentah. Lari semua. Medon.
Kan National Commission for Women NCW haka arpau tarik Naiwieng kala lejngo ya kalong kemi ke basha thang ha ukurim jongka ubala tip kerteng kumuda hun dekar kabala jia la shibenai menta kani kalong kemi kadang sha sumar menta ha civil hospital Shillong habaya kran shakilat pathai Khubor bat ka member National Commission Women kong delina kongdup kalaya tho na kalyang kan National Commission for Women kan pentikna ba ukurim jong kalong kumi ubale ekani ka kam kinum ailat ba un yo jamin na patok ka kong delina kongdup kalaong ka commission kan yad bat kan budin bat kibor ka an ha ka jing tokit ban le ka bateng persya ya ukurim ba di ki bahayeng jong ukurim ki ba sya keno ba ki don kti ban bu re ya kani ka kam baman persya ya kani kalong kumi shu ka kong delina kalaya thu ba ya ukurim lakem de ki pulit ka commission kan yakun ban khangla di ukurim ban yo jamin kat ba kadang don ha kajing sumar ha hospital
ngala iyo bani kren bet ikemi jong ihi te ki police kil akemi idan menta ha judicial custody te nakaliang jong ka commission ngin persang bet ba lakum nukum noro ngin nam ai jamin ngin persang man kren ban bat shwai u hadu ban longkat kum kapor kan kat kum ka procedure jang ka code lane jong ki police namar uni ubri ula de u habitual offender omde hitang menta sansnem men shwaru ula de shoy ki khon but man la kapor u attack i dakinar daki kat ki panon gitiar haying hasab tang ba i pade im note ban wan sakmat ban complain ni kani namar kata kadi kajing bom tipi bat kajing artatin bat kawairu kadan kata kajing lekran ledangan lej ai mudui persya ayo lok jonga ka imlak sa lang jongi kan hukum no tikata kadi kawai ka bang ngingim la ban batai mo ye kajing shem jong iwei pa iwei ibriu balai imwan sakmat ru ngimla ban penbore i namar kajing lap kajing shem kajung i tang mai hi basung thu ngim la ban penbor la ngim la ban ong ba phiri ban le be kumta phiri ban le kumta namar ki long kemi hi barobar shani lani shathain du thoru kalong be yeki ba mentang nai complain new brew haka bakhadu nga habi ban song lang batu kata kadi ka jing ka ba ni shem ba ki long kemi jongi ki salia ban wan sakman
kajing rakhe kabalane artayo kenthi ban tengkai bat ban pene ya ka umbam umdi haki arphautli ki district kari India kalapoi shakasngi bakut haka arphauterik Naiwieng hasin Paul Parish Hall nongpo haka bala 1 kilendan ki kenram na ki department joka sorkar Meghalaya lasdang ya kani ka artayo haka ndriutarik Naiwieng hakane kasngi penkut ladon lang u Marcus and Marak menteri ki kam PHE ki engineer na PHE baro ki officer rangba ki batre Haribhoi district ki khana school ki nong hikai ki long kemi long kpa bat ki nong tre haki kunhon self help group ki lawan ban penrhem hakane ka jingalang penwai hanong po hakane ka jingalang penwai la pule ya ka kular raikut ban pene pensa bat ban tengkai ya ki telong umbam umdi ki badon hakeleng ki shnong ki thau jong kane ka district haka Jylla bat karihi baro kawei Marcus haka jingkran ulaya ro ya ka Haribhoi district ka bala pau kum ka wei ka district hari India ka ba angnut hir ban poi ka thong ban long ka district ka ba wan shakmat ha baro kiliang khamtam haka jing tengkai bat jing pene pensa ya ki telong umbam umdi ulaya ro eki pat ba eki khna school bat eki sengtri mon snobha ki bala snok tilang ban rakhe ya ka jal jivan mission haki program babunjat bala penlong hakine ki artayo balala Ki officer rangba ki baladon lang hakani kasngi ki kenthop ya u Abhilash Baranwal DC Riboy District Kong B Lendem Chief Engineer PHE Shillong Kong BL Pakenteng ADC baruba U Kurba EE PHE Nongpo. La ai busket ki Samla ki bala job haki jeng ko baper bala penlong hakini ki artayo.
The Fix the Leak program, ensuring zero leakage in water supply systems in multiple areas like Nongladyu, Patharkhama and Umsho Kriya. The unique 8-pair NAKA initiative where 10 trees in Nongzuli and 10 in Kri Nong were planted in honor of mothers, symbolizing the nurturing role they play and need to care for our environment. Awareness programs on water and health conducted at CHCs and PHCs across the district, integrating health and water conservation. These activities have not only enhanced awareness, but also fostered a culture of accountability toward water conservation and management. While we celebrate our achievements, let us also look to the future with determination to achieve our goals. As we culminate this campaign, let us remind ourselves that water is not an infinite resource. It is our collective duty to protect and preserve it. I urge everyone present here, the students, teachers, community leaders, and officials to take the learnings from this journey itself and implement them in your daily lives. Together, let us ensure that the ripple effect of this initiative
Menteri Rangba Konrad K. Sangma ulapli padba yaka Office Integrated Command and Control Center ICCC ha Sauli kaban petlut yaki jingdon kam ki jingja ka jingsngan ka yat ka yeng ka let kawan jaki padba ki jingkhapnya ki surok ki dhengkali ki jingling shop ki bor mariang bat bon ki wei pat ki jingdon kam bat jingja ha kane ka juk. Kani ka office kalong ka jabing trekam jong ka Jylla Meghalaya pat gan penyaso bat ki Jylla jong ka ri India khamtam ya ki ba na ka than lammi ngi jong ka ri. Ha kani ka jingpli ya ka ICCC ladon lang uba snya bahlang dhar sembut Menteri Rangba Chief Secretary ba DP Walang Director General of Police Kong Ida Shisha Nongrang Commissioner and Secretary Urban Affairs Vijay Kumar badu Commissioner and Secretary Information Technology Pravin Bakshi. Ki pulit yada kaput Border Security Force kila kurup bon ba ki mar bala buri haklau ya ki ba ki nong khayitu ki thmu banshalan sa Bangladesh. Ki perton BSF 4 Battalion haka khat khandai tarik Naiwieng kila kurup bon ki mar bala thep haki berni plastik ban penyat yo sa Bangladesh. Ya kini ki mar bala kurup la IT haki nong tre ka Office Central Customs kabadon hapen ursla ban le katkum ki kendonan. Badak itu ki Khubor lapoi syakabakun tarhadu bangin daya syampiang Khuborjylla.